all are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to take you guys to the basics. I'm going to teach you how to do a proper French braid. This was again a very highly requested video. Many of you guys were like asking me to teach you many hair tutorials. So I thought like this would be the right hairstyle to start with. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a proper regular French braid. So I'm going to teach you like step by step. So this is going to help you a lot. In the beginning it'll be really very difficult because even I found it very difficult, guys. But once you just practice it like 5 to 6 times, this is the most easiest hairstyle ever. Just trust me, guys. So I hope this video will be really interesting to you all, guys. All you need is a hairbrush. You have to comb your hair properly with this, and then you also need a proper hair serum also, so that your hair is like tangle free. So this hairstyle will be good when you do it on a second day hair or a first day hair, not on a third day hair, because once the oil gets accumulating, then it will be really difficult to do it properly. So since I washed my hair yesterday, I did this, and so it came out really well. So stay tuned to know how I'm doing it, guys. So after brushing my hair, what I'm going to do is you have to take your 2 fingers like this and grab the crown area of your hair here, exactly like this. And now you have to divide this hair into like 3 equal sections, normally as we do for a braid. So I'm going to divide this into 3 equal sections. And here I have the right section, and here I have the left section here. And the middle one is here. So now I'm going to do a very normal braid. I'm going to take the right one over the middle, and then the left one again over the middle here. So you will be left with, after doing one braid, you will be left with a section like this. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to grab like sections from this side and add on to the right section I'm left with here. So I'm just going to add a section from here. You can use your finger like this and add it here to the right side, and then grab it tight. And now this side I'm going to do the same. Just grab a section from here and add it to the left and grab it tight, and then do the normal braiding as you did for the first one. And now again you will be left with a section here. So the same way I'm going to grab a section and just add along with this and hold it tight, and grab a section from this side here and hold it tight, and then do a normal braiding right over the left. And again I'm going to add a section from this side, and then I'm going to grab a section from this side, and then right over the left. And again I'm left with this. I'm going to grab a section from here, keep on adding, and then grab a section from here, and then I'm going to do it like this. I'm left with a section like this, grabbing 3 sections like this. And as you go to the end, just start doing a normal braid. In the beginning you will find this really difficult, because even I did. But practice, if you have to master this, then practice is really important. So take this in the front and just do a very normal braid as you will do. And then as it goes to the end, you have to secure it with a rubber band. your braid in front like this, or else you can also leave it behind fully. And since I have a front bang here, I just left it in front like this and all. But if you guys do not have a front bang, then you can just clip it up like this along with the crown area, and that will also look really good. And you have to just do like this to your braid. This will add like make your braid look more thick and more nice. So we have come to the end of the video, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. And what you have to do is just...
Hi.
Hi, you just scared me. Hi.
So what are you doing today?
So I'm just trying a new hair tutorial.
Okay, can I see?
Yes, you can.
Wow.
You like it?
Nice. Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay,
Very
just come on.
Wow.
Come on. That's Shuki here, guys, for you. You just...
Hey guys.
Hi.
You want to conclude? You're concluding?
Yes, I'm just concluding.
Okay.
I'm done.
Go ahead.
Yeah, guys, just subscribe to my channel. Yeah, guys. So, what do you think about this tutorial, this hairstyle?
I think it's really nice. I really liked it, guys. I think you should try it out for yourself.
Yes, guys, do try this and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.